everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here I'm back with lesson 2 part of speech. Introduction. A part of speech is a term used in grammar for one of the 9 main categories into which words are classified according to their functions in sentence, that is, nouns or verbs. In a simple way, the parts of speech are the primary categories of words according to their function in a sentence. Part of speech in Hindi. किसी भी वाक्य को लिखने व बोलने के लिए शब्दों के समूह का प्रयोग किया जाता है। वाक्य में प्रयोग इन सभी शब्दों को कोई न कोई नाम जरूर दिया जाता है, जैसे संज्ञा, सर्वनाम, क्रिया, विशेषण आदि। शब्दों के सही प्रयोग को समझने के लिए इन्हें 9 भागों में बांटा गया है, जिन्हें शब्द भेद पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच कहते हैं। Part of speech is being shown in this picture. Words are divided into different kinds or classes called parts of speech. The parts of speech are 9 in number: noun, adjective, articles, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. English grammar has 9 parts of speech. Here we'll discuss the 9 parts of speech in Hindi. The 9 parts of speech are mentioned below. Noun, which in Hindi we call संज्ञा, pronoun, सर्वनाम, verb, क्रिया, adjective, विशेषण, adverb, क्रिया विशेषण, preposition, संबंध बोधक, conjunction, समुच्चय बोधक, interjunction, विषमदि बोधक, articles and determiner, अनुच्छेद. We will look at a brief overview of each mentioned above. Continue on to their individual chapter to learn more about them. Keep watching this channel. All the 9 parts of speech will be discussed individually in this channel. Thank you.